Richard Hobbs, an immigration attorney, the executive director of Human Agenda, a coordinator of Move to Amend of Santa Clara County, a former trustee and former director of the Office of Human Relations. And I'm here tonight as Sam's campaign advisor and friend. For someone for whom it's a distinct honor to introduce. The person who I'm going to introduce to you tonight is the father of 2 children currently attending schools in San Jose Unified. The husband of a dynamic leader in our community, a homeowner, a former counselor of over 400 at-risk youth, a mediator of conflicts throughout our community, a diversity trainer, an investigator and researcher of discrimination complaints, a community college leader as director of community relations, employment services, and diversity, an intellectual with a BA in psychology and an MBA in management, a former member of the San Jose Vision 2040 General Plan Task Force, the former president of the Santa Clara County Immigrant Leadership Forum, a member of La Raza Roundtable and the Coalition for Justice and Accountability, an advisory member of the Vietnamese American Voters of Northern California, a board member of the Center for Employment Training, CET, a board member of Human Agenda with its values of democracy, equality, cooperation, sustainability, and kindness. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome a man of values, of unwavering commitment to students and education, a man of accountability and academic excellence, the man who will provide new and innovative leadership to the San Jose Unified School District.